Hey, welcome to the channel. So, need to send money from your Ing account to another bank? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily transfer funds via this app or online banking. Right, step number 1, launch the Ing app or visit the website. Log in using your credentials, of course. Step number 2, tap payments in the app or click transfer/money transfers on the website. Step number 3, for Eurozone payments, select SEPA. For outside of SEPA, choose international SEPA transfers, and they usually arrive within 1 business day. Step 4, add beneficiary name, IBAN, and the SWIFT or BIC code. Step 5, select who pays the fees, you, shared, or recipient. Review details and tap send. Step 6, you'll receive confirmation instantly. SEPA transfers arrive in 1 business day. International may take longer. And that's pretty much how you send money from Ing to another bank. Simple, fast, and secure. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe, and check the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.